Hello everybody, Andrew here from Ghost Bureau and welcome back to the channel. Lights are important and you really do need them if you want a professional looking video or just excellent quality photos. In today's video, I will unbox the Amaran 200x and then show you how bright it really is and talk about the Aputure Light Dome 2, which is a light box that pairs with the Amaran 200x to give you that professional studio look, so stay tuned. Alrighty, let's get into the video and let's unbox the Amaran 200x. I'm about to turn on the Amaran 200x. Let's see how bright it is. The heavens have spoken. It is extremely bright. I can't tell you how bright it is. I'm even gonna turn off the lights in the room and we're gonna turn this bad boy on. All right, complete darkness. I'm gonna turn on the Amaran 200x right now. And geez Louise, this thing is bright. It is on the lowest setting as well. I'm gonna increase the brightness. When I first turned it on, it was only at 6%. I do believe it goes to 100%. So this thing is super bright. It'll power up any room. So yeah, if you want good lighting, invest in the Amaran X. Well, we're gonna see how bright it really is. Okay, it's really bright. Do not do this, but it will definitely light up the room and possibly blind you. Just be careful. So the Amaran 200x is super bright. It's only on 5% right now, and it is blinding me. So it could definitely power up a room. You could also put a light box on it, a soft box, whatever you want. We will also be putting the Aputure Light Dome Mini onto this light. You'll see how it'll soften it and give it that professional look. Let's do that right now. All right, the Aputure Light Dome is all set up. We're gonna test this out right now. See if it softens the light a little bit. So it definitely softens it. If you saw before, you cannot see me. I was very overexposed. It's only at 2% volume for the light, so it could go up to 100. I know this is really soft right now, but at least you can see me. I'm not overexposed. Beautiful. And we'll also do a test without the lights on. I'm gonna shut off the lights. We turn on the lights. And look at that, you got beautiful studio lighting for a very affordable price. If you tend to have a glare on your skin while filming, this will absolutely fix it. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing of the Amaran 200x. I will catch you guys in the next video.